Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5 Akera, stock reference number 74005. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left front 19-inch factory alloy nose with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, sat nav, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons.